Understanding information and communication technology.
Introduction to Information and Communication Technology, or ICT. Evolution of communication. Communication has improved and evolved to facilitate our daily activities in the 21st century. Everything related to communication devices technology was sent out in many ways. The invention of cellular phones, television, and other electronic devices are important in enhancing communication. Dati po kasi, isulat lang po ang gamit natin. Tapos nagkaroon na po ng telepono, television. At ngayon, halos lahat na ng gamit natin ay nagkado po sa internet. Ang mga cellphone, computer at iba pang gadgets ay nakakatulong para mas mapadali at mapabilis na po ang pagkikipag-communicate natin. What is ICT? ICT is the technology required for information processing and particularly the use of electronic computers, communication devices, and software applications to convert, store, protect, process, transmit, and retrieve information from anywhere anytime. Ang ICT ay ang tool na ginagamit natin para sa pagproseso at pagbabahagi ng impormasyon. Sa pamamagitan ng ICT, mas madali na tayong nakakakuha, nag-iimbak at nababahagi ng mga impormasyon.
Okay, dumapan naman tayo sa information. Ano nga ba ang information? Information refers to the knowledge obtained from reading, investigation, study, or research. The tools to transmit information are the telephone, television, and radio. We need information to make decisions and to predict the future. For example, scientists can detect the formation of tsunami using the latest technology and warn public to avoid disasters in affected areas. Information is knowledge and help us to fulfill our daily tasks. For example, forecasting the stock exchange market. So, sa information kasi, nakakakuha tayo ng libreng information sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng telephone, TV, at radyo. Kailangan natin ng information para tayo ay makapag-decide at ma-predict natin ang future. For example, ang mga scientists ay nakaka-detect ng information of tsunami using the latest technology. Mahalagang information para aware tayo sa mga issues worldwide using technology. Communication. Communication is an act of transmitting messages. It is a process whereby information is exchanged between individuals using symbols, signs, or verbal interactions. Previously, people communicated through signs or symbols, performing drama and poetry. With the advent of technology, these other forms of communication are less utilized as compared to the use of the internet, email, or video conferencing. Communication is important in order to gain knowledge. With the knowledge, we are more confident in expressing our thoughts and ideas. So, sa communication kasi, ay mahalaga sa lahat. Dahil ito ay pag-exchange ng pananaliksik, pwede tayong mag-communicate using hand signal. Pwede din tayong mag-communicate using messenger o di kaya cellphone upang makipag-communicate. Ang ating communication ay napaka-high-tech na ngayon. Di tulad noon ng kahirapan ang communication.